Hello everyone. Today I'm going to unboxing the Ulanzi ST-27 phone holder. This is the unit. It came with the box like this. Let me just open it up. This is how it looks like. There's a protection here, the foam, and this is the unit. As you can see, this is not a plastic, but rather a aluminum. I think it's machine aluminum, if I'm not wrong. And it has a pretty good nice aluminum anodized color here, so I like this color because it matches my Ulanzi MT54 tripod that has the same color like this, the red color. Okay, this thing came with the lock here. This is for the locking of the moving mechanism. If you lock it and it doesn't turn, so if you want to turn this to a portrait or landscape mode, you have to open up this thing and then it can turn, and then you can lock it back. So this is how it look like. The other thing is there's one more knob here. This knob is actually for the claw. If you open it up, and then you can actually move the claw, so to speak. So you can adjust to your phone size. If you want to lock it, you can always turn the knob behind in this way onto a clockwise directions. I'm having a Samsung Note 10 at the moment, and it fits very well. One thing I like it is because when you fit your phone into this holder and you lock it, and it doesn't move at all. So very solid, and we are not afraid of falling the phone into the water again, if you were to take a picture near to the water. So I like this unit here because the whole thing is built of very solid aluminums, and and it holds very well of my Samsung Note 10, which is, I think, is the biggest size of phone that you can get in the market at the moment. The tripod, the Ulanzi MT54, that came with a small phone holder, which is not very sturdy. That was the reason why I purchased this Ulanzi ST-27 to complement my tripods. I fit on it, and then it really looks good and sturdy when you're taking pictures. It doesn't move at all. So this is the good thing about this Ulanzi ST-27 phone holder. It also called, the other name is also called the Iron Man's 4, a phone clip. This is the name that was given on the package. Now, I strongly recommended this product to anyone who like to have a better holding feature of your phones. It really looks solid to me. So yes, definitely recommend this to anyone who likes Ulanzi products. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like these videos, and give me a thumbs up. Share with me your thought. If you have any questions, I can answer you. Thank you.